Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on a nice Friday, February 5th. Have about 2 feet of snow coming our way, so that'll be interesting to watch as the market unfolds. And yesterday, I need to talk about that. This big down gap on the S&P 500 ETF, unfilled. Talked about this being a possible higher swing or lower swing high. I didn't quite make it up into this 50 MA on the daily chart, and again, that's going to be X% more weak than would have been had we done some kind of better retracement into the 50% area. And you can see that high volume print there rivals even the 2 higher print days on this previous sell-off. So we were looking for that. It happened. It blew through the 100 MA now after being tested once, and even to our 108 mark that had been tested fairly significantly. The perfect gap fill, 107.30, this swing low, was also violated, and now pre-market, let me show you this, we actually sold off even further into the 105.65 area. Now we're hovering right around 106, so round number, again, usually being support. So 106, like I said before, 105, and then 104 even with the swing low. So if we head that far south today, again, we're going to watch this gap. If it stays as a gap, and very, very carefully, again, just like yesterday, let's look at how that happened. It's just perfect. So a good sell-off, base around, and just fell out of bed. So some good trading opportunities there, and that's the good news for traders. If you remove the pre- and post-market data, a little more dramatic, and again, you can see that just kind of blew right through it. Even our 108 areas, this gap here, didn't hardly stall at all. So that's something to note. Huge volume going into the end of the day, usually meaning that we'll have some kind of following the next day. Overseas markets also under pressure, so a lot to pay attention to today. Notably, the trend as well. That's actually unbelievable. So here's a great move up. Stayed high all day, higher highs, higher lows, great confirmation. At this point, many people would consider this to be oversold, and they'd be looking to not sell short right now. The move is essentially on a higher time frame already over, so be very careful about that. Trend Q, also very, very nice, probably not in the oversold level, but still corroborating. The VIX did a very, very nice move up. Very large bar. If you look at a higher time frame, in one day almost retraced the entire pullback here to that 50% retracement that we were going to watch. I wasn't going to want to go long until we could break through some good support levels through here, but on a daily chart, that's fairly telling. So here's our 200 MA declining. Good test here. Another one now, and we'll have to again watch how that plays out this morning especially. So some good quote-unquote warnings this morning about going long or short right at the open. You want to watch how it trades, watch how that gap fills. Even though you can't see it now, we're down at 105 area, or excuse me, the 106 area after testing 105.50. And trade smart. This is a good time to be prudent on a Friday especially, going into the weekend, and that's about as strong as I can talk. So take care everybody. I'll be with you around noon to see how things are shaping up, and I'll talk to you later.